Welcome Cute Animals episode 79. Cow, panda, duck, and toucan. Can you help me find the true head?
What?
3, 2, 1. Let's go! Let's start with panda.
Oh no!
Come on, answer is not looking like panda. This is a panda. Let's try dog.
Oh no!
No. Answer is also not dog. This is a dog. Breed name is Shiba Inu. And now, last two finalists. Let's try toucan.
Oh no!
Ha. You think this is funny? This is a toucan. Toucan is a bird. Finally, we found true answer. True answer is cow. Yes. Dance with this beautiful cow, guys. Dance with cow. Dance with cow. Hey. This is a cow.